Everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be reviewing Hudson by Estetica in the color 812 as well as ChromeRT1B. Hudson in the color 812 was sent to me for review purposes by Wig Studio One. I did the unboxing on the Wig Studio One YouTube channel. The link to that video will be listed down below in case you're interested in seeing what Hudson looks like right out of the box. I also purchased Hudson in the color ChromeRT1B at Wig Studio One, and I'll be showing you both of these colors. You know, I love these long bobs, and Hudson is no different. This one is really even more up my alley because of the features. We have a full monofilament top, we have a lace front, we have light density, and we have minimal permatease, nothing pillowy, nothing like that. Even if you do not like permatease, I think that you'd be able to live with the permatease on Hudson because it's just very minimal. We have a beautiful lace front. And the ear tabs provide nice coverage. As you know, I have that low hairline, and you could either bring some of your hair out if you have bio hair and blend it in with Hudson, or you can cover it up with some root powder. That's the way I do it, and it just blends really well. I just use the root powder that is the same color of the wig or the same root color of the wig. I just get the Claro one. I get it at Ulta. It's inexpensive. It's about $11 and it lasts all day. It doesn't run or anything like that. And it just washes off when you wash your hair. All right, Hudson is another bob, but instead of being a blunt bob as we have seen in some styles such as Candace by Henry Margaux or Sutton by Estetica, Drive by Ellen Villa, any one of those will be more of a blunt cut, the same length all around. On Hudson, we are going to get some really soft, subtle layering that gives some frame around the face. If you see that, it just feathers out. I think that looks so pretty. This is so wearable. I don't know if it's because of the light density. I've worn it since I received it. I reviewed it, and that night I went out to dinner and I wore Hudson. It feels so light. A bang of 10 inches. And because we have the monofilament top, if you wanted to add some bangs, you can do that. We have that monofilament top, and we have the lace front, so you're not going to get that parting anywhere, you know, that is defined like a side part or a center part. I think those are a little bit more, they require a little bit more work if you want to add some bangs, but on a full monofilament top, you're not going to have that problem. So that front, that bang is 10 inches, and then it's the layers go down to 11 inches. We have a crown of 18 inches. So it is a nice long piece. There's enough length here that if you wanted to tie it back in a ponytail, you can do that. You could do a messy bun. You could do an updo if that's what you want to do. If you want to tuck it, we can tuck it. We could add a headband. And we could pull out some of these. If you're like me and you just want to hide those, your low hairline, you could just pull out some of the hair or the fibers, and it will be fine, and you'll be able to cover it. Doesn't that look pretty? I think it's just such a pretty style. The color on this Hudson is 812. This is a golden brown with some light brown, and it's very well blended. You're not going to get any highlights here. You're not going to have any boldness, any any evidence of really highlighting. It's just a blend of two colors. So it looks really, really pretty. When we go outside, you'll be able to really appreciate what a beautiful color this is. I think this color is perfect for my brunette friends that don't want to have any bold highlights, but still want to have that kind of sun-kissed look in your hair where it just catches the light a little bit, but inside it's just a rich brown. And because we have a full monofilament top, it could be parted anywhere we want. If you watched my unboxing, you'll notice that right out of the box, I did not have any problems with Hudson. It just fell. I rubbed my hands together, applied a little bit of heat, and twisted the front, and I still haven't added any product to this Hudson. Now I'm going to apply Hudson in ChromeRT1B, and that one is behaving a little bit differently than the 812. This is Hudson and ChromeRT1B. With ChromeRT1B, we have a blend of white with gray and 25% medium brown and an off black root. I think this color is perfect if you are a dark brunette, you have off black hair as I do, you may have dark brows, and you're just making that transition to grays. This is a beautiful color. This is one that I feel the most comfortable in because my hair is basically coming in this way, and I still have pretty much the same dark root on my hair with the grays coming through. Now I have a few ChromeRT1Bs, and the difference that I found in this one is that while there is no stripy, no band of the gray blended with the white, we do have some fibers that are kind of sewn in between there. So even though we don't have that lighter framing the face as we see on some pieces, we do have some. We do have a few fibers in there. I think that is really nice. Now, with this one, if you can tell, I am wearing this one parted down the middle. And that's because when I parted it on the side, I was getting some hair in my face. And I didn't have that problem with the 812, but I'm seeing it with this one. See what I mean? It just falls in my face. Okay, so what do we do about that? This is a very easy fix. We can take some hairspray, rub our hands together, and put it there. What I usually do if I don't have time to steam, which is really the one method that's going to give you more of a long-term effect. If you don't have time to steam, or you don't have a steamer, you can take the clip the hair back, take some hairspray, apply it, and leave it on the wig stand overnight. And usually by the next day, it will be starting to train off the face. If you have to do it 2 or 3 days, maybe 2 or 3 days, and it's not going to last like steaming does, but it will help. And Hudson has such a beautiful lace front that if you just wanted to wear it as I'm wearing it now with just a little clip and wearing it off the face, you can certainly do that. If you don't like to wear clips, then of course use the hairspray or use the steaming. Either color, I think they are both really, really pretty. Now I think I need a caramel kiss. I think that's the next one I'm going to get because I really enjoy Hudson. And it's just the style that I love to wear all the time. If I could just wear straight long bobs, yeah, this is right up my alley. All right. This is from Estetica's collection. I believe it's called High Society. I'm not sure. If that is incorrect, I'll put it across the screen. But we have a full monofilament top. We have a lace front that goes almost ear tab to ear tab. Very nice stretch on the cap. Our ear tabs are covered with felt and they have the stays, nice sturdy stays. Has an open extended nape, and as you can see, here are the adjusters that I cinched in order to accommodate my 21.75 inch circumference. All right, everyone, I hope that you've enjoyed this review of Hudson by Estetica in the colors ChromeRT1B as well as 812. Let me know which one of these colors you prefer. If you like Hudson, I would love to hear from you. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.